Hi, this is Harry Campbell from Biofeedback Resources International, and today I want to talk to you about the GP8, which is one of the systems that we've added to our product line. This is made by the same company that you might know as J&J. This is a Physio Monitor GP8, actually GP8E, and this has 8 inputs. We can actually connect ECG, EMG, EEG, skin conductance or GSR, temperature, respiration, and PPG or plethysmograph. So it's a system that has a lot on it. It's not one that I recommend as your primary clinical system. So I recommend a system that has some features that would be better for certain applications like stress assessments and so on in the clinic. But for a second system, it's low cost. It's a backup. It can serve as a backup, and also with the things that are going on right now, where you might actually need to get set up to do more work remotely. This is something that, because it's at a lower price point, you could make arrangements to rent to customers, and you might have multiple devices out with different clients so that they can hook up to the computer at their home and go online with you using GoToMeeting, Skype, Zoom, or other online services, so that you can screen share and you can see what they're doing. You can help them with applying the sensors and coach them during the session, and also look at their data, have them send data to you if necessary. But you would be able to do work remotely easier than with your more expensive main clinical system that you would use more for seeing clients in the office. Again, it's also very portable, so you can go on the road with it if you need to see clients on site. That would be another application for it. So again, this is GP8 system, and you can do ECG, EMG, EEG, skin conductance or GSR, temperature, respiration, and PPG. It has the inputs on the front for some of those, and then there's also connectors on the back for some of the other signals. This doesn't use any batteries. It runs off of USB power from your computer. This is the USB connector that connects to the computer, and then I'll go over some of the sensors with you, and we'll take a look at the software. So this is a plethysmograph sensor that can clip to the finger. These are your skin conductance sensors. It's 2 wires with the Velcro snap connectors. These wires also could be used if you're going to do ECG on the wrist with the wristband. If we're not doing that, we unsnap those ECG sensors, put those aside. These are the wristbands if you're doing ECG. This is your respiration sensor that goes around the abdomen and is stretchy, so that will show breaths per minute and respiration form. And these are your EMG sensors. Somewhere in here I have a temperature sensor. And so what I'm going to do is just hook myself up to some of these sensors and have you take a look at the software. Okay, so this is what the screen, the opening screen looks like when you first get going here with this. You have signals on the left side, and then you have the instrument on the right side, and it basically showing you where to connect the different cables. Okay. This is the PhysioCom software that you get with the system. Now when we sell the system, you can also get the Somatic Vision Alive software with the system. And if you just contact us, we'll tell you how to do that. You can go to our website, biofeedbackinternational.com, to order this system. It's listed there with and without the Alive Somatic Vision software. Alright, so now I'm just going to select another screen that we can take a look at. Okay, so this is a screen that just has the pacer and the respiration signal. So as you can see on the bottom of the screen, there's a pacer. Looks like it's set pretty fast, but the idea is that you would follow this pacer and breathe along with it. So now I'm going to start to follow the pacer. Okay, so that's the respiration sensor. Now I also have skin conductance on, so I'm going to look for a screen that has skin conductance. Let's see. So I'm clicking on the drop down menus here, and here's one that says SCR plus SC. So let's take a look at that one. So I'm getting a pretty low reading, which I usually do get a pretty low reading. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the sensor cream. See if we can get a little bit more lively reading to show you. Okay, there we go. That's a little bit too tight. Okay. So you can see some artifact there when I was moving the sensor around. So on the top you have the responses, and on the bottom you have more of what the sort of tonic reading is, the sort of average reading over time. On the top we see responses. So I'm going to just let the screen start over here. You can see the purple line on the bottom sort of trending down. Okay, so now it should recenter a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can get some response here on the top. That didn't work. Okay, you see a little bit of red there on the top. That's some response. Took a little while, but it showed up. Now see if I can get something more to show up here. There we go. That's another response. And then you can see it also show up at the bottom. There, it's amplifying it a little bit more. So that's your response. And then we would want to see it recover and come back down. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to see if I can find an EMG screen. There may not be any in this setting here, but we're going to check. So here's one. So I've got the EMG, and here it is showing that this first channel is pretty good. This is a plus and minus. This is at EMG noise. It's showing there, and that's partly because I had my hands over the computer. Now I move away from the computer, and you can see the noise goes way down. So this is one thing that I do like about this software, is it has impedance testing and noise testing built into the system. Now let's go to a screen that has a reading. Okay, so now this is showing EMG, and if I tense the muscle, see it goes up. If I relax, it comes down. Tense and relax. Tense and relax. So this is a basic demonstration of the system using the PhysioCom software. As I said, you can also get it with the Somatic Vision Alive software. Alright, so that was a quick demo of the GP8 system. You can see the system now with the sensors plugged in. Got some sensors on my arm for EMG. Have a respiration sensor on for breathing. And the other sensors that I measured, skin conductance and temperature and plethysm graph, are other ones that we use. It also does do EEG. That only works with the PhysioCom software, not with the Alive software by Somatic Vision. So if you want to do EEG with it, you can with the PhysioCom software. I don't usually use it for EEG, to be honest. I usually use other equipment for that, Thought Technology or BrainMaster, but it is possible to do EEG with it, and that's another thing that you might consider if you're using it for clients that are going to be working at home, and you just need to show them how to hook it up and how to run it. So that is a demonstration and description of the GP8 system. Pricing and ordering information is on our website, so just go to biofeedbackinternational.com. Hopefully there will be a way that you can click on this video or at the end of this video to go directly to our website and get information on it. Our phone number should also be listed in the video, but the phone number is 877-669-6463 or 914-762-4646. Website is biofeedbackinternational.com. So go to the website and order the system. I think it'll be a great second system for you, or a way that you can do remote training at lower cost. So hope to hear from you, and hope we can provide one or more of these systems for you. If you have any questions, give us a call, or you can send me an email, Harry@biofeedbackinternational.com. See you next time.